if it's having to prepare for a meeting. That's kind of been a big worry of mine lately. Actually, every 2 weeks it's a worry. So it's definitely something that I want to be more comfortable doing. Or even if I'm making more of a bigger deal than it is, then I pray, I give that to God, and He works it out. So as long as I do my steps to prepare, if I do the work, making those attempts, and also taking good notes, that's usually just the best way to get things accomplished. So if you're just discouraged by, and it's limited to your expenses, but I'm in corporate America, so it's like these corporate America experiences, but give those worries to God. God would knock down those high distractions, those things that give you great worry, those things that sit on high towers that are usually fortified, whether it's in the sense of just so much things you have to do. Those are high towers. God will knock those down. He will bring those enemies to the dust. He will put those before your feet. So again, do not be stressed or worried. These are entitled A Great Day to Pray. So I love that. I found 2 sections in this book entitled A Praise to the Lord, because I don't like going a day without giving God His praise. I mean, I write it in my little journal, in my little book. You know, I pray for this, I pray for that, and I'm grateful for life, of course. But let's just give God His credit. Let's give, everything to Him. And you probably see me decompress just because these were immediate things I'm using too. So with that, we have another great day to praise. You all continue to move in your journeys. I'm probably going to make a couple more videos throughout the rest of the week and going over and further. So like, share, subscribe. I say, walk by the Spirit, and you will not gratify the desires of the flesh.